bird that hangs its prey on thorns for its chicks. In the harsh grasslands and thorny scrublands, one small bird has developed a hunting strategy unlike almost any other. It catches insects, lizards, mice, and even small birds, then impales them on sharp thorns like a natural butcher. This remarkable hunter is known as the Shrike, often called the butcher bird. Every thorn becomes a food storage rack, ensuring its hungry chicks never go without a meal. Perched high on a dry branch, the Shrike scans the ground with extraordinary eyesight. Although no larger than a robin, it behaves like a tiny bird of prey. A grasshopper leaps through the grass. Within seconds, the Shrike dives at incredible speed, seizing the insect with its sharp hooked beak. Unlike hawks, shrikes have powerful beaks but relatively weak feet, forcing them to use a completely different hunting method. Flying toward a thorny acacia bush, the Shrike carefully pushes the struggling prey onto a long, sharp thorn. The prey hangs motionless. This unusual behavior serves several purposes. The thorn holds the prey firmly while the Shrike tears it into bite-sized pieces. It also creates a natural food pantry where extra prey can be stored for hours or even days. Scientists call these hanging prey items larders. During seasons when food is abundant, dozens of insects, lizards, and small rodents may decorate a single thorn bush. Back at the nest, tiny chicks stretch their necks and open their bright yellow mouths. The parent Shrike returns to its thorn pantry, selects a fresh meal, tears it into small pieces, and delivers it one bite at a time. Because the food has already been stored and prepared, feeding is fast and efficient. When storms arrive or insects become scarce, these hidden food reserves can mean the difference between survival and starvation for the growing family. The Shrike continues hunting throughout the day, adding more prey to its thorn collection. Dragonflies, beetles, small snakes, frogs, and even young birds may all become part of its remarkable food cache. This extraordinary strategy allows the Shrike to survive unpredictable seasons while raising healthy chicks in challenging environments. Though small in size, the butcher bird proves that intelligence and adaptation can be just as powerful as strength. Its thorn-covered pantry stands as one of nature's most fascinating examples of survival. If you enjoyed this incredible wildlife documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on notifications for more amazing animal survival stories from around the world. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.